Want to know how to check your cards in Agoda? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Agoda website or your Agoda application and log in accordingly. So on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile if you are on your website. So if you don't see it, you need to log in first in order to access your cards as well. So there is also cards available in Agoda in order for your shopping experiences, your transport and booking experiences as well. So to access it is pretty simple. Here you should be seeing your navigation bars on top regarding hotels and homes and much more. And here you should be seeing your language and your currency. And right beside it, you should be seeing this card icon right here. So this is your Agoda card. So you can just simply select it to open it up. Zoom in right here. And here you should be seeing if your card has some items or bookings in it, it should be shown right here. So if you don't have it, you can just simply select search for travel and you should be good to go. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.